Hello everyone and welcome back to another EasyWay video where I'm going to teach you how to fix connection timeout on your Minecraft server. This is a common error and I have the solution for it, so don't worry. The first thing we have to do is to press the Windows key and find Control Panel. So you press the Control Panel here and then you have to select here on this little box. You have to select small icons and then you have to press Java. So when Java opens, the only thing you have to do is to search the latest version. So you press update here and then you press update now. So once the update finishes, you will be able to play on your Minecraft server without any problem. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, like, share, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. And remember that we have a lot of tutorials for Minecraft, Minecraft server, Roblox, Discord, Instagram, Facebook, wherever. So take a look on it and see you next time in another EasyWay video. Goodbye and EasyWay.